Okay, the final one of our basic instructions for this chapter is going to be creating a parallel line. So here we have a line, and we want to construct a line that's parallel to it through some point. And that point will be given to you as part of your project or as part of your particular problem. And so that's our point that we're going to draw a parallel line through. Now this is pretty straightforward, and we've already done all of the steps to do this. We're going to make two perpendicular lines here. And so to make a perpendicular line that goes from here to here, we're going to use the exact same construction that we used to create a perpendicular through a point. And so we're going to mark there, and we're going to turn it around and mark there. And then we're going to construct our perpendicular bisector of this segment that we've created here. So we'll do that really quick. Again, remember that's going to go through P on the top, or it should be going through P on the top if you didn't move your compass at all. So we've made our two arcs there. That creates a perpendicular bisector, or perpendicular to the line through a point. And now to make a line that is parallel to the original, we need to make a line that's, again, perpendicular to this one. And so I might actually turn this sideways, just because I'm used to working with it that way. I'm going to make my compass a little bit smaller. We're going to now make a perpendicular to this line that goes through this point. And so I'll put my compass there and make equal marks on both sides of point P. We will then construct, make our compass a little bit bigger now, since it needs to go past the halfway point. We'll now construct the perpendicular bisector of this segment. So you're kind of seeing how these constructions all rely on each other here. So we're using perpendicular constructions to make parallel lines. Should keep going out in the other direction here. And so now what we've done is, since our original line is perpendicular to this line here, and our last line we made is perpendicular to that line there, we know that because of those theorems we talked about in Chapter 2, our corresponding angles, our alternate interior angles, all of those theorems, for example, these would be alternate interior angles, and they're equal, they're both 90, that these two lines are parallel, so we've constructed parallel lines.